Welcome to the online newsletter for week 10. What's happening this week?
Last week was a very wet week, but today all of Year 6 are going to the Halogen Young Leaders Day with speakers Andy Griffiths, Ita Buttrose and Bob Carr.
This Wednesday night is the PNC meeting. And let's hope on Friday it doesn't rain so the K2 can enjoy their gala day.
What happened in history this week, Alex and Imogen?
Today in 2007 was the very first Earth Hour. And make sure tomorrow you don't get pranked by anyone because it's April Fool's Day.
This week in history, Philip the famous horse died in 1932. Also, this week Pope John Paul II died. And Martin Luther King died in 1968.
So many inspirational people passed away this week in history.
Don't forget Philip.
And Philip. Daisy, do you want to show us the interview you had with the kindergarten student?
Yeah, sure. So, April, tell me about kindergarten. Are you enjoying it?
Yes.
Do you like your buddy?
Yes.
What's the best and hardest thing you've learnt so far at school?
What? It's when I do lots of work.
What types of work?
Like yesterday I did some cars, and today after this I'm going to finish clowns.
So have you been learning your letters, your ABCs?
Yeah.
Wow, that sounds like fun. What's your favourite book?
The Duck Quack.
Now, in Year 6 and with our buddies, we've been doing reading time. Do you like reading with your buddy?
Yes.
What kind of books have you been reading?
Lots of funny books.
I like funny books, don't you?
Yes. How much do you like your class?
I love my class. It's always heaps of fun. We get to do lots of work, but at the same time, we're in a really comfortable environment where we can work easily.
Do you know what do you most like in your classroom?
That's a very difficult question. I think I like writing or maths the best. It's always hard and it's fun, especially the writing, because you always have to figure out, what character, have to get the feel for your story or poem.
What story do you like when it's reading time?
Well, lately I've been reading quite a few books, and I think my favourite has been Cherub. I mean, it's very exciting, it's fun, and what's more, you'd completely wish it was real.
Do you like picture books or just writing books?
Well, I more like just chapter books instead of picture books because, while pictures illustrate, the story, it's kind of just nice to let the words describe the scene for you.
Now, what's your favourite thing to do at school?
I think, actually, it's hang out with my friends. I mean, we just talk in class a bit, while we're doing our work, it's fun, but in the playground, it's really where we get to talk to each other, and it's lots of fun.
What isn't the favouriteest thing you do in class?
I think it's probably going to be... Actually, I have no idea. I love all my stuff at school. It's fun.
I love school and I love every day when I come to school.
Thanks, April. It's been great interviewing you and you interviewing me. That's all. Bye.
Bye.
Wow, they seem to really like school.
Well, that's all for this week. Have a great week. Bye.
Bye.